I'm Gerard Shirley. I'm the owner and founder of GEDS Mobile Car Cleaning. GEDS is an old school type of business, reliable, friendly, value for money service aimed at middle and upper income families and businesses with fleets using water and waterless wash techniques. Got involved with King Kong because they're advertising on the internet that 85% of businesses go to the internet first. So I gave King Kong a call and said, look, I needed to be on the internet. What can you do for me? So we sat down and had a chat, worked out a pricing structure and went from there. Initially when I was having a chat with King Kong, price and return on investment was the major factor. I needed to trust that they could deliver that, and that's why I went with them, trusted that they could. The biggest factor in not signing up with an online marketing agency was whether they could deliver a return on investment. Didn't necessarily matter about the price, it was whether I was going to get my money back and new clients. Within about 2 or 3 months of using King Kong, inquiries started to roll in. Within about 4 months, I got my return on investment back. The reason I chose King Kong is because initially, I was worried about where my first job was coming from. After using King Kong, I was more worried about how I was going to manage the job. My business has increased 200%, so I've got my return on investment 10, 20 times over. I find it a lot easier, more comfortable to work. You're not worried about where the next dollar's coming from. In a small business, you're on a roller coaster. You've got too much work or too little work, King Kong spreads that out for you. Since we started, we get 2 to 3 phone calls or emails a week actually saying we can increase your presence on Google. Not interested. We already have what we want. We're very happy with King Kong. We know what we're getting. Actually, I've recommended King Kong to 2 or 3 other businesses. Just look at the return on investment. I've got multiple returns on what I've invested. And also within 1 month of tripling my investment, I got a major contract that paid for the whole lot. If you are in business, you need an internet presence. If you haven't got King Kong as your internet presence, you're mad.